matter of review. 21-22.
Yes.
But this is a review matter.
Yes, ma'am.
Why do you want adjournment?
We have come typically on today, my lord. My senior is not well. Therefore.
You are for the petitioner.
Yes, my lord.
As for the other side. I'm pro. Any objection? No, 130. On? On 30th November. On a hearing day. 30. Yes, 23rd. Any other in a hearing day. Of November. Okay. This order is order sought to be reviewed is passed by this court.
Yes.
No.
No, I am.
Another LS Gavil. Okay, Mr. Ayat Saiki, learned counsel for the petition, I said that some further difficulty to appear before the court today on a mention made on his behalf and not objected to by the other side, that the matter is listed on. It's no problem. Problem.
My lord, I beg to mention for listing of the content matter. The last listed on 5/9/25 and.
It's not a new matter, isn't it?
No,
You better please approach the registry for that listing.
May I please, Holmes?
Yes.
May I pray for listing of a motion matter tomorrow, Your Lordship? We have put to challenge an order of transfer, Your Lordship. Order of transfer, Your Lordship.
So what is the urgency?
Transfer, Your Lordship, and immediate, daily he may
When is
be,
the order, when was the order passed?
Your Lordship, 3 days back, Your Lordship, order.
It is by,
Lordship.
and you are supposed to join by which date?
That order, that is not there, Your Lordship, but at any time he will be released therefore, Your
All right.
Lordship. Deeply.
yeah, when the matter came on 5th of September, your lordship, your last chance to file it.
Which matter?
This is paying for this matter. My lord, we approached before vacation, my lord. Since they have not within 2 days, 2 weeks.
For listing, you approach the registry.
Well, we have approached. That is why I'm here.
No, please approach, you write in the, there's a registrar maintained there, you write in the register,
My lord.
and then accordingly they'll adjust you. All right,
Lordship,
Hmm.
I beg to mention for listening for withdrawal.
for withdrawal, okay,
For withdrawal.
when?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 4, Your Lordship, of today's list. Your Lordship.
Yes.
Here, Your Lordship, the respondent, Your Lordship, they has already expired, Your Lordship, we will have to file a substitution. Your Lordship. So
Mr.
maybe
Yes,
take it up
Motakur,
on
learned
Tuesday.
counsel for the petitioners, placed for 2 weeks' time to file appropriate application seeking substitution of the respondent's consent.
Lord.
Praise the Lord. This
Yes.
again after 2 weeks.
May I please Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 44 of daily list.
Hmm.
Matter may be adjourned for 2 weeks.
44,
Yes, Lordship.
this is listed for orders. You are for which party?
Petitioner, Lordship.
Petitioner,
Yes, Lordship.
why do you want adjournment?
I have to take some instructions from the client, Lordship.
Your good name?
Miss Adas.
Ms. A. Das, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that she requires to take some instructions from our clients and therefore seeks adjournment. Stuff as paid for, matter stands adjourned for 2 weeks.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, I beg to mention item 10.
10, yes.
Then, so in this matter, I need to file an additional affidavit to bring record company.
Additional affidavit for what?
Additional,
This is motion.
yes, an application filed by the petitioner before the record number 1, which is pending, then I need to bring this record.
You're for the petitioner, is it? You're Mr. Mira.
Yes.
Mr. K. Mira says that she may be allowed to file additional affidavit to bring on record
One application filed by the petitioner.
an application filed by the petitioner which will be relevant for considering the instant writ petition. Where's allowed? Just again after a week.
Please, Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of a urgent writ petition, Lordship. The matter has already been filed and it is registered 5894.
How is it urgent?
Lordship, the result was last declared on 17th October and we are aggrieved by the result, Lordship. Because some certain number of candidates who doesn't have that excluded from the list, Lordship.
Okay, but what is the urgency?
Because Lordship, on 17/10 the result has been declared and they will immediately join, Lordship.
When is the joining?
The date of joining is not mentioned, but they will
Okay,
immediately
have you filed
join.
the writ Have you filed it?
Lordship, we have filed it. We have also registration number WPC 5894, Lordship. Obliged, Lordship.
Right, Mr. But I to ask the petition regarding compassionate appointment.
What have you filed?
Compassionate appointment. This is pending, my lord. Earlier occasion when the date was there, it's one. That was for the time taken.
You approach the registry.
May I please, Lordship, I beg to mention item 63 and 64, my lord. Orders, my lord.
63,
Kindly, my lord,
64.
next week, my lord, we have to file affidavit for my lord service of notice, my lord, dusty service, my lord.
Your good name?
S.A. Sikdar, my lord.
Mr. Asit Sikdar, Learned Counsel for the petitioner seeks a week's time to file the affidavit showing service of notice on the respondent. Which
Number,
respondent?
5, respondent number 5.
In both cases.
Item number 64, man. And otherwise, my lord, registered post already has been done.
What about 63?
63, my lord, it was, my lord, usual post, my lord, and registered post, my lord. That has been done, my lord. In item number 64, my lord, only dusty service is there.
Respondent number?
5.
Okay. We on record the service of notice served on respondent number 5 by way of custom. List again after a week. This is the 64. Now 63, what do you want?
My lord, 64, my lord, dusty service has been done.
64 is finished.
Yes, my lord, that's
63,
Some connected matter, my lord.
no, not connected matter. 64, you said Dusty, you want to,
Yes, my
you
lord.
want to submit
Yes, madam.
Dusty affidavit. 64.
Yes, my lord.
In 63, what do you want to do?
Sir, already, my lord, step has been taken.
Then,
And then,
why do you want adjournment then?
my lord, a connected matter, that is fine.
Connected matter, what do you mean the connected matter? This is,
Okay, my lord, then.
they are not listed together. They are listed separately.
Yeah, that is
Then-
true, my lord, but similar matter. Yes.
Sixty-three. See, you have not read the office note.
No, my lord.
There's a deficit postal stamp,
My lord.
and that's why notice could not be sent to respondent number 5.
Then, my lord, fresh step I will take.
Huh? Office note dated 17/10/2025 indicates that notice could not be sent to respondent number 5 due to deficit postal stamps of ₹22. Sub-Learned Counsel shall do the needful within 1 week from today. List the matter again after 3 weeks. You write the Learned Counsel, no? You write Learned Counsel, Mr. S.H. Sikdar. Will do the needful.
My lord, similar issue is pending before the division bench, my lord.
Ah.
In a read appeal number 287/23, which is fixed on 25/11/25. So, my lord, my matter may also be adjourned till 25/11.
Case number is writ appeal.
Read appeal 287/2023.
Okay. Your good name?
M.
Mr. M. Ali, Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that writ appeal number 287 of 2023 on the similar issue is due to be listed on 25/11/2025, and therefore prays that the instant case be listed after that date. In view of above, registry to list this matter in the first week of December 2025.
Obliged.
Peter Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of my senior lawyer of the state India, who has been very recently appointed as the senior civil counsel for PCC. As we have no availability of office of documents with us, request the honorable court to list the matter in the next.
3 weeks. What do you say? Your good name?
Speaker,
Ms. P. Kashyap, Learned Counsel submits that Mr.
A.K. Bhuya,
A.K. Bhuya has been recently appointed as the Standing Counsel BTC. And she therefore submits that they need to organize their brief, and for which 3 weeks' time may be granted. Of the said prayer is not opposed to by the learned counsel for the opposite party. In view of above, list again after 3 weeks.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, it is a contempt case, Lordship. Non-compliance of the order dated 16/5/2025 passed in WBC 2541/2025, Lordship. Page number 10 is the order, Lordship. Operative person is page number 12, para 6.
So who is supposed to comply?
Lordship, Director Secondary Education, Assam.
There is respondent number 2 in the writ petition, isn't it? Heard, Mr.
DJ Boro, Lordship.
DJ Boro, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the order dated 16/5/2025 passed by this court in WPC number 2541 of 2025 has not been complied with by the respondent, despite a copy of the same having been furnished to him. Don't write him, write her, to her. Next para, in view of pop-up, issue notice, return over 4 weeks. Steps within 3 days by registered post with ADD.
Complaint.
May I please your lordship?
Hmm.
Lordship may take this matter after some time as Mr. A.R. Bhuya is on there.
Pass over, time be.
Your Lordship, could you kindly pass over a matter for timing? Right.
None appears for the petitioner. No matter. Let's begin after 2 weeks. Same order.
Right.
Yes.
Matter relates to completion at a fundamental.
Hmm.
Petitioner approached earlier, Lordship. Page 21.
21.
Yes, start from page 21.
This is what, second round?
Second round.
Yeah.
Page 24 relevant. Thereafter, Lordship PLC recommended.
Just a minute.
Page 24.
Then
Hereafter, Lordship, DLC recommended page 33, Lordship. Start from page 33.
DLC when did it meet?
22/5/2024, Lordship. Relevant page 34, Lordship. Page 34B, Inspector of School, VDC Dhubri.
Hmm.
Serial A, Lordship. Got it, Lordship? Serial A.
Please
MD
read.
Ziaul Haq.
Read.
Sri MD Ziaul Haq, son of late Azibur Rahman, applied for the post of junior assistant on compassionate ground. The said proposal was placed before the DLC and may be recommended in the post of junior assistant as and when vacancy arises on compassionate ground, 5% quota of availability of vacancy in his parent department. Thereafter, office memorandum has come, Lordship. 18/9 to.
Tell me one thing.
Lordship,
Court's order was 2005.
yes, Lordship,
DLC made on 2024.
yes, Lordship. The authority consider only.
After almost 20 years.
Yes,
Anything happened in between? Between 11/5/2025 and 22/5/2024.
no, Lord. As per notice, Lordship, I have submitted particulars on 15/9, page 45.
Yes, who's appearing?
Government. Eleven.
SLC has rejected his,
SLC rejected.
yes,
When?
that instruction I have to bring you, Lordship. Why?
Now, how do you know that this rejected?
No, that instruction I have to bring.
No, you are making that submission on what basis of what? What information?
I have gone through your.
Huh?
Synopsis I have gone through.
No, synopsis. We are looking at the documents, madam. See, what I'm surprised is that this person, writ petitioner, had filed one writ petition in 2005. It was disposed of saying that consider his case. And after almost 20 years, on 22/5/2024, DLC Dhubri has sat and they have said that he may be considered for appointment when there is vacancy. What took them so long to consider his case? And now he says that he has filed application in terms of that notice that within 15th of
September.
You have to submit your particulars. He submitted his particulars. So nowhere has he stated, I mean, there's no issue of that, the DLC being rejected, having rejected his case. Let us see the synopsis. What is written in your synopsis?
I will bring the instruction regarding that.
No, what is written in the synopsis when you say that SLC is rejected?
Nothing.
We'll dispose it off. Let the thing be considered on his own merit. Heard, Mr.
And
N. Hussain, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that. No. for the petitioner, and Miss
K.
K. Pukan, learned government advocate.
Yes.
You also there? Government advocate for respondent number? No, government advocate. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 6, and 6.
1, 2, 3, and 6.
Yes.
And Miss N.M. Sharma for respondent number 4 and 5. Stop. Considering the nature of grievance projected by the petitioner, comma, the writ petition is taken up for disposal at this stage itself. Next para. It is the case of the petitioner that his father died in harness while serving as UD assistant in Chirakuti High Secondary School. Under the inspector of school. What is DDC? DDC?
District Development.
DDC, District, Dhubri District Circle, Lordship. Dhubri District Circle. DDC. Yes.
Yeah.
Inspector of.
Comma,
DDC.
Dhubri District Circle,
Yes.
Dhubri. On 21/9/2024. Stop. Despite the petitioner having submitted application for compassionate appointment, since his case was not considered, he approached this court by filing WPC number 2808 of 2005. Which was disposed of white order dated 11/5/2005 by directing the respondent authorities to consider his case in accordance with law as per the relevant scheme for compassionate appointment. Stop. The case of the petitioner came to be considered by the district level committee Dhubri, which held its meeting on 22/5/2024. By which it was resolved that the petitioner should be considered for appointment to the post of junior assistant as and when vacancy arises. Stop. A copy of the meeting minutes was forwarded to the Principal Secretary to the Government of Assam, Personal B Department. As well as the Inspector of Schools, Dhubri. And the District Elementary Education Officer, Dhubri, for necessary action. Stop. However, no action has been taken thereafter. And the petitioner contends that it perhaps is due to the office memorandum dated 18/9/2024, by which compassionate appointment has been stopped in view of the introduction of the compassionate family pension. Stop. The learned counsel submits that similarly situated persons agreed with the office memorandum had approached this court and all the writ petitions were disposed of by the common order dated
3-4,
where is it?
Lordship, S44,
Huh?
S44, no page.
Right common order dated 3/4/2025. And the lead case being WPC number 342 of 2025. Stop. In terms of the said order, the government of Assam in the personal department issued notice dated 38/2025, requiring all those interested to be appointed on compassionate basis, submit their particulars by 15th of September 2025. To stop, it is the case of the petitioner that he has also submitted the requisites and particulars 9/2025. And the same was duly received by the Office of the Secretary, Personal Department. Stop considering the above position. The writ petition is disposed of by directing the respondent authorities to consider the case, to place the case of the petitioner before the next SLC for consideration in accordance with law and as per the relevant scheme.
Complaint. Yes.
May I please?
Yes.
My Lordship, I am a qualified NEET 2025 PWD candidate with a valid locomotor disability certificate. My Lordship. My name appeared in the provisional PWD MBBS list for the GMCH, but Director of Medical DME's impugn order is on, was issued on 25/9/2025. Kindly see the impugn order, my Lordship, on page 28.
Yes.
My Lordship, here my provisional selection has been cancelled, my Lordship. No reasons, no principles of natural justice has been violated,
Where is your principal, your provisional selection?
my Lordship. My provisional selection,
Is it page 27?
yes, my Lordship. Page copies of admission notice dated 22/9/2025, page 26, 27. So I have been given disability certificate by a statutory body, my Lordship. I have annexed on page 16, my Lordship. It's a certificate given by statutory body that cannot simply reject it, my Lordship, without any valid reason and without affording the opportunity of being heard. And this case is covered by some earlier judgments of the Honorable High Court also, my Lordship, which I have.
Where's your disability certificate?
My Lordship, my disability certificate on page 16, my Lordship.
16.
Page
Issued,
16.
issued by whom?
My Lordship, it is issued by Joint Director of Health Services, Gwalpara.
Is he the appropriate authority?
Yes, my Lord, it is the appropriate authority.
What is your disability?
My
40%.
Lord, locomotor disability, I have lacks my, lack my Lord. I have 60% disability, my Lordship.
60 or 40?
40, my Lord, 40%. Yes, 40% permanent disability in relation to his locomotor disability as per the guidelines, that is guidelines for the purpose of assessing the extent of specified disability in a person included under RPW the Act 2016, notified by Government of India by the such and such. The statutory body, my lordship, has issued after following
What-
all the procedures.
Is there any condition in your admission notice?
No, my lordship, no, my lordship. I was selected, I was recommended, and I went to for verification of my documents. And thereafter, this impugned order has been passed without assigning any reason. my
No, before coming to the impugned order, please come to page 26.
Yes, my lordship.
The second para, what does it say?
Yes, my lordship.
Candidates provisionally selected
The candidates provisionally selected under PW category, Divyang whose PW2 status were not assessed earlier by the medical board are directed to report with all their relevant certificates in original to the office of the principal cum chief superintendent Guwahati Medical College and Hospital, Bangagar, Guwahati, for benchmark verification of their disability status by the medical board constituted by the DME Assam by letter such and such, on failing which his allotment shall be cancelled. My
Okay.
grievance is that, my lord, I have
No,
submitted-
before your grievance comes, let me ask you.
Yes, ma'am.
See, you have the disability certificate,
ma'am.
40%,
Yes, ma'am.
given by the appropriate authority.
Yes, ma'am.
But now when you come for admission, you apply for that category,
Yes.
PWD category.
Yes, ma'am.
But then this category, although you have the certificate, has to be verified by the
Yes,
board,
yes, my lord.
correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So once the board accepts and say that, yes, you are correct, then only your admission will
ma'am.
be confirmed.
Yes, madam.
So here is a case that your admission was provisional.
Yes, my lord.
And ultimately, by this impugned order, they say that
Cancel.
after verification, benchmark disabled were found to be none of the candidates who appeared before the medical board for examination and verification of benchmark disabled were found to be eligible for admission into MBBS.
Yes, my lord. No,
So the
how-
board has found that you are not eligible.
Well, how they, there is no reason, my lordship, opportunity of being heard has been denied, my lordship. I have given the judgment, my lordship. An opportunity must be given and the new board should examine and state the facts on which ground they have cancelled it, my lordship.
Okay, you're questioning that.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Bora, what do you say?
That, that instruction I can obtain, my lord, what ground or what is his disability that has been assessed by the board. Because as per the norms, my lord, the benchmark disability is between 40 to 80%, my lord. So if the petitioner falls within that benchmark disability, then
40 to 80.
Yes, my lord.
From where are you saying that? 40 to 80%.
Yes, my lord, it is in the information brochure of the admission brochure, it has been specified. I can produce on the next page, my lord. So that is benchmark disability is 40 to 80%. That's what the norms laid down by the National Medical Commission.
So here's a case that he has 40% disability.
No, my lord, it is 40%, because that has to be assessed by the Disability Assessment Board. As per the norms, as per the rules, my lord, the admission authority, they will constitute a assessment board. That assessment board will verify, my lord.
How? What is the yardstick?
Yardstick, my lord, there are certain parameters under which they will, and that also how they have arrived at a disability of a particular candidate. All details are there in the report, my lord.
See, in that case, there was no requirement to have a certificate also. You just declare that I belong to PWD cadre and you go. And go and face the board. Board will assess you and declare you.
That certificate is not only for the purpose of admission, because that certificate may be used by a candidate for other purpose also. But for the purpose of admission, my lord, it is the procedure that, my lord, the person with that certificate, they can appear in the medical examination test, my lord. And that's why his name appears in the provisional selected. But for the purpose of admission, my lord, it is clearly written in the rules, my lord, of the medical admission rules that a candidate has to appear before a disability assessment board which has been constituted under that rules, my lord. So that board will assess the disability percentage of a candidate in terms of the guidelines laid down by the National Medical Commission.
Anyway, you'll have to clarify that.
Yes, my lord.
By
Report or what is the quantum of assessment, disability assessment has been made in respect of the petitioner, that I can produce, my lord. And I
not produce, you file an affidavit.
Yes, ma'am.
get the instructions, file an affidavit saying that these are the parameters,
Yes,
this is
sir.
how we're done.
Yes, my
We'll
lord.
see. We need to notice.
In the meantime, my lord, one seat may be
No, my lord.
vacant, otherwise, my in that judgment also, similar benefit has been
What
given.
is
If
the
the post gets filled up, my lordship, my petition will become
That judgment
infructuous.
is different, my lord. In that case,
Same,
my
my
lord, that the disability of the that candidate has been assessed at 65%, my lord. That is 65%.
Ultimately, my lordship, if
Your
the
lordship may
post
take
is
up
filled
the-
up,
Take up the matter day after tomorrow, the initial instruction, my lord, the report I will put it before your lordship. And thereafter your.
they have simply mechanically, they have rejected, my lordship.
Day after that.
Yes,
Let him come with instruction. We'll see.
Yes, my lord.
List again on so and so. Mr. D.P. Mora, Lanet, standing counsel, help to obtain necessary instructions. With regard to the criteria adopted by the medical board,
My lord, on the next date, I will produce the medical assessment report of the assessment board, my lord.
and also the medical assessment report. You produce
My
whatever
lord,
you-
last date of admission is 30/10/2025.
So day after tomorrow is what?
24.
20.
Oh, there is time.
Highly, highly.
Always.
Maybe listen, Lordship. Kindly given time being, madam. Kindly given time being, madam. Time being.
You want time being?
Yes.
Okay. So we give you time being then.
Bishop. This case is relating to suspension of the petitioner, Your Lord.
Suspension.
My petitioner was suspended from service on 14 7 2025, Your Lord.
When?
14 7 2005.
You want to take, you want some more time to prepare?
Fine.
Do you want some more time to prepare?
No, I have already.
You already prepared, but you're not telling me the date.
No, date you will achieve.
14/7 what?
Date you will 14/7/2025.
14/7/25.
My
Page number?
page number 35.
No, this is not the one. Page number 45 is not suspension order.
35.
35.
My 35. You will find.
Hmm.
May I read it?
Yes.
Whereas it has been informed by the Director of Irrigation Assam, I letter dated demand. Council Sri Milandas presently serving as block limited and Bihari Irrigation Block District Vishwanath was arrested and forwarded to the detailed custody on 7/7/2025 in connection with the Bihari police station case number 10. Whereas the record speaks that the criminal cases in Bihari police station case number 10 under section so was registered against the Milan Das presently serving as block elementary education officer, Bihari Education Block District Vishwanath, Assam, and the investigation of the same is going on. Whereas in the light of the allegation level against the Milan Das presently serving as block elementary education officer, Bihari Education Block District Vishwanath, the governor of Assam in the Department of Food Education is contemplating to draw up the departmental proceeding against him in accordance with the provisions of Assam Services in April 1964. Whereas the government of Assam is now satisfied that Sri Milan Das, presently serving as Block 11-3 Education Officer, Bihari Education Block District, Vishwanath, Assam, was for serious embarrassment to the government, therefore consider it expedient
and the public interest to suspend Sri Milanda Block Elementary Bialik Education Block District Victoria. Now therefore, in view of the above, in exercise of powers conferred under sub-rule 1 and 2 of Rule 6 of the Assam Bill 1964, the government of Assam is pleased to place Sri Milandas Block Elementary Education Bialik Irrigation Block District Victoria under suspension with immediate effect and until further order. During the period of suspension, the headquarters of Sri Milanda released from the will be Victoria district. Thereafter, the petitioner has submitted a representative. He has not received the subsistence allowance, your lordship. Already 4 months have been elapsed. Till date, he has not given the subsistence allowance.
Okay, you are,
Now, I'm in the bail,
Bail.
my lord. I have
When?
released on bail
when?
by the Honorable High Court's order. Your
When was
lordship.
bail granted to you?
May I?
7/8/25. I've seen it, 7/8/25.
Page 31. Page 31. Your lordship will find.
I've seen it.
Fine.
Yes, Ms. Shutia, what do you say?
Just notice, my lord, I noticed that whether it was reviewed on this suspension order is not certified.
Will issue notice, short notice?
Aye.
We'll have it again next week.
In the meantime, suspension may be state my lord. I have not received the subsistence allowance till date.
No, we
So,
cannot stay like that.
4 months has elapsed, your lordship. But how he will survive, your lordship? If subsistence allowance is under the rule, FR, it is necessary to give him your
Yes,
lordship,
we'll take care of that. Don't
my
worry.
lord.
Heard,
So, In
Mr.
the meantime, suspension order may be stayed, your lordship.
R. M. Chaudhary,
My
learned
lord.
counsel for the petitioner, who submits that by filing this writ petition, the petitioner has challenged the order dated 14/7/2025, bracket annexure 12, by which he has been suspended. With immediate effect and until further orders. To stop, the learned counsel submits that neither has the suspension order been reviewed, nor the petitioner paid his subsistence allowance due to him in accordance with the rules. Next, para issue notice of motion returnable by 2 weeks. This has to appear on it. SC. SC what? Elementary, elementary education,
4 and 5,
accept notice on behalf of respondent numbers
1, 2, 4 and 5.
1, 2, 4 and 5.
Yeah.
I appear for respondent number 6. G. Pegu, learned additional senior government advocate for respondent number, accept notice on behalf of respondent number 3. While Mr. S. Bora, learned SC, SSA, accept notice on behalf of respondent number 6. AG, oh, yes, and Mr. SK Mehdi, SC, AG Assam, accept notice on behalf of respondent number 7. Notice is therefore complete. Petitioner to furnish requisite copies of the writ petition to the learned councils appearing for the respondents today, within 2 days. This is the matter again on so and so. 6/11/2025. And by which date learned councils for the respondents shall obtain instructions with regard to the present status of the suspension order. Full stop. In other words, whether any review has been made on the suspension order. Stop the learned counsel or the respondent shall also inform the court with regard to the payment of subsistence allowance to the petitioner as per his entitlement. Stop. It is also provided herein that if no such subsistence allowance has been paid to the petitioner till date, the same shall be paid to him without delay in accordance with law. Okay.
Regarding the prayer, there is no prayer, my lord. There is no.
No, no,
regarding
prayer was made, but prayer, there is a
It will
prayer.
not be paid with prayer.
Prayer was
Prayer
there.
has been made.
Not even a prayer.
No, prayer was there, your lord.
Where?
Why?
Was there means what?
My lord.
It was there, but it is not there now, is it?
My
Interim order, set aside the interim order, that is when.
Suspension order, I think.
Interim is my lord to suspend the interim or suspend.
It's all right. Let it remain as it is. Accountant General will not deal with suspension allowance, but
My lord,
she will tell us by the next date. If not given, give. We'll see.
My lord, this contempt petition against which, my lord, the judgment has been, the respondent has filed a review application, my lord. That item number 51 is the, my lord, review application,
51.
my lord. Sorry, my lord. 43. I'm 45, my lord, sorry.
None appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. Office note dated 29/7/2025 indicates that Mr. D. Saikia, Senior Advocate, and Mr. S.N.T. Chisti and Mr. N.M. Sharma, learned counsels have appeared, have entered appearance on behalf of respondent number 4 by filing their wakalatnama. However, they are also not present today.
Yes, sir.
You are NM, you are NM Sharma. Okay. What is your submission there? You have filed wakalatnama. What else do you want to file? Wakalatnama is enough.
I will file affidavit, Doctor. I will file affidavit, Doctor.
You have filed or you will be filing?
I will file it.
When will you file? Then you cancel that part. Yeah, office note dated not required, okay? Miss N.M. Sharma, learned counsel appears for respondent number 4 and prays for 2 weeks' time to file show cause reply by way of an affidavit. Praise the Lord. List again after 2 weeks. Please file. What have you done? Steps.
May please, your lord. My lord, the order against which, my lord, I have filed this contempt application, my lord. The state has filed one review application, my lord. That 51 is the, my lord, review application.
Who is for the petition and the review?
Against that, 51.
Item 51, that's a review by the state. But here I would like to ask for some time
In review.
in the review.
In the review, you want time.
Yes.
Whereas you are the petitioner.
Yes, sir. The review by the state.
Understand. Then what about the contempt?
Both this matter come up next week.
Why do you want time in the review petition?
Actually, the earlier council.
Then he's not the only one. There are so many of them. N. Sharma, Besh Barua,
Besburwa is also not there.
and your name is not there also. So what will happen?
It's a review by the state. I'll get the.
You can appear.
I can.
Okay. After a week? List this matter again after a week, along with review petition number 79 of 2017. Mr.
R. Sharma.
R. Sharma, learned counsel, appears for the petitioner. While Mr. B. Kaushik, you are the standing counsel,
Standing up.
SG Elementary, appears for the review petitioners. List again on 12th. Date?
Can it be 4th of November?
Okay, list on 4th of November.
Both the my lord review and my lord on.
They come together.
All right.
None appears for the petitioner on the matters called. List again after 2 weeks. Same order. Mr. Kaushik, please come forward. I'll just read an order to you. 25/9/24. 25/9 of 2024. Mr. B. Kaushik, learned counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. R. Mojumdar, learned counsel for the respondents, submit that affidavit is under preparation and the same would be filed within 1 week. Has it been filed? Look into it.
Yes.
We list again on that day. What is that date?
4th of November.
List on 4th of November 2025. Mr. B. Kaushik, learned counsel, SCL Elementary, shall obtain instructions having regard to the order which has been recorded on 25/9/2024. Similar order. Tape. Yes. 411.
Here use
Comment number 5, Mr. M.R. Adhikari has entered appearance by having Makala recently. So keep some time here, we can to find the people.
But here in this case, non-payment of gratuity amount, some audit, my lord, objection was raised. It is deceased husband, regarding deceased husband, my lord.
Mm.
And this audit, my lord, auditor, assistant auditor has clarified the matter at Annexure 6, page 18. Your lordship may kindly peruse. Annexure 6, page 18, your lordship. It was written to the respondent number 5 only. May I read it, your lordship?
Yes.
Pursuant to the receipt of your letter dated so and so, I would like to inform you that the settlement of outstanding objection of published audit report is dependent on the submission of satisfactory reply and execution of necessary remedial action in connection with objection raised in the audit report. In case of this unsettled objection by part 2 of para 1 of the audit report so and so for the period from Iman, it was admitted by the school authority that as per smooth functioning of the institution was affected owing to damage of school building and furniture by frequent water logging in rainy season, rupees 6,42,550 was spent for urgent renovation work for school building or for repairing of furniture by means of fund transferred as loan from MDM fund to development fund. But this was a crystal clear case of diversion of fund without prior approval of appropriate higher authority. The objection raised in the said audit report is of serious and technical nature in terms of violation of Assam financial rules and simply cannot be overlooked and dropped without remedial steps or necessary direction from higher authority. At the same time, from records and correspondence of the school authority, it was also evident that all the relevant utilization records for expenditure of rupees so and so was available with the school authority, and thus it was not at all matter of misappropriation. It was further revealed that the deceased HM led Sandan Kumar Rajkumar, whose death come retirement gratuity is withheld for payment on account of unsettled audit objection worth rupees 6,42,550, did not execute the decision of renovation repair works independently, but it was an unanimous decision taken at the SMDC meeting dated 19 February 2017. It was specific clear that it was a unanimous decision, and my 10 lakhs something gratuity was withheld only because of this minor. And my husband died. And though no disciplinary proceeding was initiated against me, against my husband, your lordship.
Who is to pay you gratuity?
Pardon?
You are praying for gratuity.
Yeah, gratuity, yes, sir.
Who will give you that? Who will pay you?
My lord, he has to forward these papers, then Education Department and Finance Department, my lord. Ultimately, Finance Department will approve the case.
No, who has to forward? Headmistress.
Yes.
Respondent number 5.
Next to which is the personal litigation testimony has requested me to appear on his case. And he has got instruction to appear on behalf of respondent number 6 also, but he has not filed affidavit on his. For respondent number 5, he has already filed affidavit and he is appearing for the first time.
All right, ask him to come with instructions on next date.
Right, we'll file affidavit.
Not affidavit, or affidavit also, but above all, what is the instruction he has received? This is listed for orders today.
Yes, sir.
Please write, office note dated 14/10/2025 indicates that a Wakalatnama has been filed, signed by the respondent number 5. So as for respondent number 6, neither AD card nor unsub notice has returned back. Stop at this stage. Mr. A.R. Tahibildar, Learned Counsel, submits that Mr. M.R. Adhikari will be appearing for respondent number 5.
Yes, Mr.
And that he has also instructions to appear on behalf of respondent number 6. But he is yet to file his Wakalatnama for respondent number 6. So stop, he submits that since he has some personal difficulties today, he prays that the matter be listed after a week. In view of above, list this matter again on so and so. 3010. One more line. Notice upon respondent number 5 is accepted to be complete.
As one of 6 year also. 5 is
Fine.
already appearing. 6 is here to file the Wakalatama.
Let him file Vakalama, then we'll accept. Without Vakalama, I
Ah,
cannot
yes,
say
yes. I'll-
that.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
Yeah, they are supposed to file their affidavit. In the meantime, contender one, this person is no longer as now as the deputy commissioner. So we have to substitute this.
How much time?
1 week.
1 week. You are there?
Yeah, Malad, for the respondents, I here.
9.
Lot.
What is your submission?
Well, they were supposed to help the TLC, Malad.
Yeah.
But the TLC date could not be fixed, Malad, because of some subsequent development. They are going to, I have not, they have not given me the fixed date. I'll in the meantime, let him do that. In the meantime.
Your good name?
L Deca.
L.
Deca.
Mr. L. Deka, learned counsel submits that he may be given a week's time to file appropriate application for impleading the new incumbent occupying the post of
Deputy Commissioner.
Deputy Commissioner,
Nowadays, district commissioner.
District Commissioner of which area?
Hailakandi.
District Commissioner, Hailakandi. Sub Mr. Deenat Lanet. Counsel appearing for respondent number
For the earlier district. One, respondent one.
1. Submits that he also may be given some time to obtain instructions, up-to-date instructions in the matter. In view of above, list the matter.
That is in the third week of after 3.
3 weeks,
Contender, 2 weeks, but
after 2 weeks, on a date to be fixed by the registry.
acknowledgement.
May I please, your lordship? The matter pertains to the provincial election service of the classical teacher. The notice was issued on 4/11/2024, my lord. No affidavit have been filed till due date, my.
Have you checked up the office note? Regarding the address on respondent number 5 that has been wrongly written, that is why it could not be sent. You take up the matter in the registry. All right. Learned counsel for the petitioner to take necessary steps. In view of the office note dated 18/7/2025. List again after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
May I plead the buck? This is a review petition preferred by the state, my lord,
Okay.
against the order dated, my lord, 7/2/2017, passed in WBC number 680 of 2016.
What is the reason for the delay?
Delay, my lord. These matters are listed along with a series of matter, my lord. In between, my lord, I have not explained the delay in the petition, review petition, my lord. But fact remains that, my lord, these matter regarding illegal and irregular appointment were listed along with it. During that time, my lord, no order was passed in the contempt petition.
Whatever the reason may be, that has to appear in the review petition.
That has not been.
So in such a situation, I don't think it can be detained like that.
My lord, may give some 1 week time just so that I can file an additional affidavit, my lord.
Mr. N.J. Katonia, learned counsel for the state petitioner, is given a week's time to file an appropriate application. To file additional affidavit explaining the reason why the review petition has been filed. After more than 8 years.
Okay.
Yes, Lordship, reject non-compliance of order dated 12/6/2025, Lordships. Notice is issued, and one letter is issued by Joint Director for hearing, Lordships. And accordingly, the petitioners appeared before this Joint Director for hearing, Lordships, but till today, no decision was taken.
Is right. As per the office note dated 26/8/25, notice appears to have been sent to the respondent by registered post with AD on 26/8/2025. Stop. Under such circumstance, let the matter be listed again after 2 weeks. Awaiting service report from the respondent. Registry shall also track the note by the next day.
Okay.
May please, Your Lordship. Yes.
Madam, this is a matter regarding civil defense 3, madam.
Huh?
This is a matter regarding civil defense 3.
Oh, bench three.
Lordship, if your lordship wish, my lordship may
Please
take up this
submitted
matter.
at the bar that the matter is the bench three matter. Office registry to verify and list accordingly before the appropriate bench.
All right.
Sorry, sorry,
Okay,
my lord.
Mr. Bhuya, you are the new council, standing council, BTC?
No, no, my lord. A.K. Bhuya. is
A.K.
the-
Bhuya,
Anand
okay.
Kumar Bhuya. my lord.
Okay, okay. Yes, what is this
My
matter?
lord, this is a matter, my lord, regarding termination from service as a, my lord, lecturer in a junior college, my lord. My lord, though we have been, my lord, terminated long back, we have agitated our grievances initially, my lord, but that writ petition was not pressed. Later on, my lord, it was withdrawn. And my lord, with the hope that the college authorities will give the relief. But later on, my lord, they again declined. And thereafter, my lord, we made representations, my lord, before the authority to consider that we should be allowed to continue. But that has not been done, my lord, till date. Now, my lord, the order of this honorable court, my lord, is at page 40, my lord. So, my lord, on the strength of this, although it was passed in the year 2019, my lord, there is a delay. My lord, the matter relates to, my lord, provincialization, my lord, no doubt, my lord. My lord, may I pray, my lord, that though we have not, my lord, approached before the authority for the appeal provision under the section 14 of this 2000, my lord, 17 Act. My lord, may I pray, my lord, that these petitioners can be, my lord, prefer an appeal with a direction from my lordships, my lord.
You don't require a direction for that. It's up to you.
Yes.
Where is the explanation for the delay?
My lord, in paragraph, my lord, page 20, para 17, my lord.
Judgment का अपन kind of doesn't. But
My lord, page 20, paragraph 17, my lord.
You're challenging the dismissal order of 2013, isn't it?
My lord, my lord, my lord, I admit, my lord, there is a considerable delay, my lord, but what has happened, my lord, as per my instruction, my lord, as the college has not yet been provincialized till date, my lord, still in a venture stage, and we have been terminated by not following the due procedure of law. So, my lord, I have gone through, my lord, a few judgment is in my favor, my lord, when there is a continuous wrong survives, my lord, when a substantive fundamental right has been interfered with, my lord, delay in such a cases may not be fatal, my lord.
Who's for the other side? Anyone?
But this is of secondary.
You're not served copy over.
No, we have served, my lord. This is today, it is in the motion stage, my lord.
Yes, even in the motion stage, somebody appeared. You are?
The chief paper respondent number 4 is not.
Huh? Who?
Respondent number 4.
District Commissioner.
Oh, my lord, they made
Now, what
Main-
about secondary education?
second.
Secondary? You were there?
Yes.
Mr. B. Kaushik? See, they're challenging, the petition is challenging the termination, dismissal order of 2013. Hmm. Well, you obtain instructions. We'll issue notice today,
My lord,
but I'm leaving the question of delay open.
my lord.
Heard Mr. A.R. Bhuyan, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that by filing this writ petition, the petitioner has challenged the order of
No, provincialization.
the order dated 28/5/2013, by which he has been dismissed from service. Well, no, by which there are two petitioners, is it?
Two petitioners.
By which yes, I put petitioners, by which they have been dismissed from service. Where is it, the earlier order?
My lord, yes, my lord, the earlier order is that page, my lord. 40, my lord.
Both of them had come before the court.
Yes,
Over.
yes, my lord, this, first title, my lord. No,
There's only
no,
one person.
only one petitioner. Nur Islam was there, my lord.
So we have seen that petitioner number 1 had earlier
My-
filed WPC number 1575 of 2014, which was disposed of on 23/10/2019 with liberty to file afresh. If cause of action survives. To stop. In view of above, issue notice of motion returnable by 4 weeks. Mr. B. Kaushik, Learned SC, elementary,
Secondary.
secondary,
Correspondent 1 and.
accepts notice and we have respondent numbers,
1, 2 and.
1, 2, and 3. Mr. G. Pegu,
4. 1 of 4.
additional senior government advocate for respondent number 4. Petitioners to serve requisite copies of the writ petition to the learned counsel seeking for the respondents within 2 days. The the issue with regard to no. The maintainability of the writ petition on account of limitation is kept open to be considered at the appropriate time.
My lord, the private response of limitation and jurisdiction both.
Limitation jurisdiction.
My lord, respondent number 5 and 6 by registered, my lord.
Oh, 5 is also there.
5 and 6 is also.
Yes, college authority.
Okay, petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 5 and 6 by registered post and lady within 3 days.
Yes. Obligement.
I know.
May please your lordship. My lord, in this case, we want to file an additional affidavit enclosing the government guideline, my lord.
Okay, that's paid for by the ARC with that. And how much time?
My lord, in the next week, it may come, my lord.
Which
We'll
time
file.
is granted for filing additional affidavit? Just take it after 1 week.
May please also. Lordship, yeah, the petitioner was initially lordship appointed as a BHC teacher lordship by the headmaster cum secretary of Moth Mandir High School lordship. Page 17 is the appointment order lordship. It was Hansard Institute lordship. And this appointment was termed as a purely temporary and terminable. Subsequently, lordship,
Which is the order you have challenged, that you have challenged?
no, lordship, I have challenged the appointment of private respondent number, lordship. Lordship, I have been terminated, but I
Yes.
have not annexed the order, lordship. But as per my instruction, lordship, in place of petitioner, the private respondent number has been appointed, but without lordship communicate him the termination order.
Without?
Without communicate the petitioner the termination order.
Where is the termination order?
Yes, lordship, that is why I have not annexed. I have stated, I have not communicated.
Then how do you know you are terminated?
Yes, lordship, I cannot, lordship, I permit to sign in the attendance register, lordship.
Where is the order by which the private respondent is appointed?
No, lordship, their appointment also I have not get.
Then on what basis do we proceed? If there is no order,
Lordship, instruction.
hypothetical
Lordship,
situation,
Lordship,
what are you challenging?
lordship, there may be lordship appointment order. Lordship.
There may be, there may not be also. So
Lordship, if there is no appointment.
you
order,
cannot
then I have
proceed
no
like that.
case.
Hmm?
If there is no any appointment order, that I have no case.
What's the termination order, if any? What do you
Yes,
mean,
yes.
if any?
Yes, lordship, because I have not annexed there.
You don't annex, then there is no case.
Lordship, Perus, case number 17 of the petition, Lordship.
Huh?
He
Page
is
number?
stating 17, Lordship. He is stating that he was appointed on 2006. Quite resolution that was held on 2014, Lordship.
Lordship,
How
in
could
the,
that be so
lordship,
difficult,
this is
lordship?
lordship, I have that just typed it. Page 18 is the same, lordship.
No, just a minute. Which page number 17?
Yeah.
17, which part?
That is, I'm reading, Lordship. You are hereby appointed on BSc so and so. That was, as per action of the managing committee held on
Yes.
10/2014, right, resolution number 2. And the last part, Lordship, yours faithfully, date is 30/12/2006, Lordship.
Must be a typing mistake.
Yes.
Where is the original?
No, original is 18. I have typed it as it is, lordship, page 18.
Originally, that is 14.
18.
Original is also
Yeah.
2006.
Yes,
Lordship,
there is a 2014, that is why I typed it. I must type it.
Something is really wrong with your documents and your petition. I don't understand.
This is just lordship notice maybe.
No, no, no. How do we issue notice?
Lordship, because my allegation is that, Lordship, I have been terminated without giving any reason, so.
See, whatever that,
Without,
please explain this document.
Lordship, who is
How can you be appointed
Yes,
or you communicated
yes,
in the year 2006?
yes.
Saying that by resolution of 2014
this-
in future.
Let them dispute this document because it is their pet on their pet. Lordship, kindly see page 18 in the school pet. It is not.
Maybe this is headmaster.
Yes,
What kind of school is this? Provincial high school?
no, Lordship, it is answer is.
You withdraw this or I'm going to dismiss it.
Lordship, because Lordship, I have also seen it, but this is on pet, school pet, Lordship, because they have written.
Maybe. I
Lordship,
don't know.
Let
but
them
it cannot be.
take instruction, Lordship. And Lordship, thereafter, Lordship, on the resolution I have annexed, page 21 onwards. Yes, not so legible, Lordship. But there they have mentioned, Lordship.
You better get the relevant particulars. Then only we'll see of issuing notice or whatever. With this kind of writ petition, I'm not going to entertain this.
Then, Lordship, I will take an adjournment to the Lordship.
Not adjournment, you withdraw this and refile. I'll give you a liberty to file a fresh. But if you don't have the document, file an application through RTI.
Okay,
If they reject, then you say that they have rejected, although I applied, they have rejected.
okay.
You make an attempt first, okay? As paid for by the petitioner, the petition stands disposed of as withdrawn with liberty to file a fresh.
Okay.
Please, your Lordship. Lordship, the office note reflects that respondent number 5 has not entered appearance yet. That's why it's come for orders.
Respondent number, who's respondent number 5? Oh, you're there, okay. Then things are complete then.
Lordship,
Have you filed your power or you gonna file? Okay, what's your good name? Just a minute. Just a minute. Office note dated 17/10/2025 indicates that respondent number 6 has engaged the counsel by filing Wakalatnama. But the same is not so in respect of respondent number 5. To stop at this stage, Mr. D.S. Bhattacharya, learned counsel appears and submits that he will be appearing for respondent number 5 and prays for how much time? A week's time to file his power and also counter affidavit. Then respondent number 6 who is appearing? 6, first list. This is not connected. All right. It is seen that respondent number 6 has engaged Mr. R.V. Pukan, whose name is also reflected in the cost list. But the said counsel, who has requested appearance through VC, has not appeared, and it appears that there is some technical snag. Okay, now you tell. Yes.
Mr. Senior Counsel Digondra Das. He does is appearing for respondent number 2, 3, and 7. But we are yet to file our Wakalatnama today. File our Wakalatnama
2,
3, and 7.
Hmm.
And we'll also file our, there's an interim order that has been operating. So we'll file our stay vacating, IS stay vacating, and affidavit in opposition. For which.
my lord, last order, as per the last order, they were directed to file their affidavit in opposition.
Lordship, we were not included as model because we are going to sign our Wakalatnama today.
Mr. Didas will appear for first time.
Yes.
Or what? 2, 3, and 7.
That's it.
Then what about 1,
1 and 4.
1 and 4? What is your submission?
Filing. By public funds. Let the matter come to the deadline.
And at CGC appears correspondent numbers 1 and 4, and prays for a week's time to file a counter affidavit. Stop similar, prayer has been made on behalf of Mr. D. Das, Lanet Senior Counsel, who will be appearing on correspondent numbers 2, 3, and 7.
Lordship, would grant us 3 weeks time to file our stay vacant, IFO stay vacating and affidavit.
Lordship, 3 weeks would be too long, Lordship. Lordship, fixed date 10th of
You're
November.
for the petition, isn't it?
Yes,
Then,
10th of November, Your Lord.
sir. Lordship, can it be on
Lordship, Senior Counsel, Mr. Ken Chaudhary is engaged in this matter, Your Lordship.
You agree to a date, we'll list it on that day.
14th of Wait, Lordship, maybe, right?
November. It's a Friday. You have it on a hearing date.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Why don't you have it on before that,
13, Lord.
the first week of November? That's enough time.
Yes.
You wanted 1 week, I'm giving you 2 weeks.
Then Lordship will fix it on
6th.
10th, Lordship.
Six.
Fix it on 10th.
6th. You're on station.
Lordship will fix it on 10th.
Not 10. 10th is a hearing date. Not 10th is not a voting date. 11th. As agreed to by the parties, let the matter be listed on 11th of November 2025. Affidavits to be filed by the respondents on or before 7th of November,
Lordship, there's an interim order.
with a copy to the other side. Interim order passed earlier shall continue to the next date of this.
Lordship, small indulgence, Your Lordship. The cause list does not reflect the name of Senior Counsel, Mr. Ken Chaudhary, if that will be direct.
Name of Mr. K. N. Chaudhary be reflected in the cost list thereafter.
Deeply obliged.
Hereafter, I said hereafter last one, as the counsel for the petitioner. Okay. After break.
May I plead your lordship? On last
Yes.
matter pertains to the provincialization of the teachers, my lord, the 2 science teacher, my lord, and they were left out in the year of 2013 as because their date of appointment and date of joining were wrongly submitted by the headmaster of the petitioner's school, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, that was rectified by the inspector of the school and recommended by the district level scrutiny committee. On last occasion, my lord, your lordship has directed to furnish the information, my lord, whether in respect of the petitioner number 2, they were submitted that her name was recommended by the district scrutiny committee. In respect of the petitioner number 1, his service was not provincialized due to his date of appointment, my lord. And that was also rectified by the inspector of school, and in the meantime, the several process was going on as because his particulars was not submitted in 2017 at my lord. So in the meantime, the school of the petitioner was amalgamated with the high school.
Now, weeks time to obtain that for the lab.
As there is no fault on their part, they were deprived from provincialization since 2013, my lord. So let the matter come on after 10 days with a fine.
Last time it was said that it's under consideration. Isn't it?
We are awaiting. Give us 10 days time. Otherwise, the meetings are completed.
Please right. Parties are represented by the respective councils. As split for by Mr. B. Kaushik, Lanet SC. Elementary. Further 10 days time is granted. to obtain necessary instructions. In terms of the order dated 24/7/2020.
The matter on 6th of November, my lord.
This again on 6th of November.
May I please? This matters my lord, regarding my lord, provision of service as Hindi teacher and Arabic teacher of my lord ME schoolman. And my lord, this honorable court, my lord, similar order was passed by earlier my two benches, my lord.
Then what
Only
happened?
to my lord, directing the my lord petitioners to file a representation before the authority, and that may be considered and disposed of. In earlier order, that is my lord, WC number 3597, it is paragraph.
No,
my lord,
just a minute, okay? Just a minute. What happened to the division bench matter?
my lord, the revision best was my lord, we challenge the my lord section, some petitioners challenge the section of my lord 32111. That was my lord upheld by the division bench. So my lord, however, it was directed my lord, that there is no bar to consider the case of the petitioners if the enrollment is there.
Where's
So-
the order?
Subsequently, my lord, this order was passed, my lord.
Which order was passed?
That is my lord in WC number 3597. And direction at page my lord 44, paragraph 21 and 22.
Hmm?
Second last page my lord. Paragraph 21. Involve the discussion and observation made herein above, the present petitioners are disposed of with the direction to the responding authorities to consider the case of the petitioners in terms of provision.
Okay, what is there in section 3:111?
That is the my lord, minimum requirement of teachers, my lord, 3 teachers that has to be provincialized.
You're praying for a similar order.
Yes, my lord, I am only to consider.
Hmm? Mr. Kaushik?
The lordship disposes the same line, my lord.
With representation,
Yes.
filing presentation.
That order has, in the order, the honorable court has observed that this is not a magnum.
Yes, yes. In paragraph 20, my lord.
Should not be considered as a matter.
Paragraph 20, that order.
Then this WPC 2067 also same.
Yes, my lord. It is the my lord, page 7, my lord, paragraph 6. That the, no. Then the my lord, direction at page 7, paragraph 7, my lord.
Oh, that has been quoted.
Yes, my lord. It is subsequent order, my lord, that is my lord, in the position number 2067.
So how many writ petitions are there?
My lord, in this case, my lord, with the 5 petition. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 million. Item number 13 is regarding my lord Hindi teacher and others are my lord Arabic teachers or different is
13 is Arabic,
13 is
13 Hindi teacher,
13 is Hindi,
my lord,
then
15, 16, 17 are
Arabic,
14,
14 Arabic,
14 also Arabic.
except for 13, all are Arabic.
All
Arabic, yes.
And which level? Teachers of which level?
This
Upper primary.
primary.
Upper primary school.
Upper primary, middle school.
So we'll dispose it of that with by a common order.
My lord,
Heart, Mr.
DA Kayyum.
D.A.
Kayyum.
Qayyum,
Well.
learned counsel for the petitioners, and Mr. B. Kaushik, learned SC Elementary Education. And Miss R.M. Das for the R.M. Barua, Learned Standing Council of Finance Department, appearing for the said department. Stop having regard to the nature of controversy. All the petitions are being disposed of by this common order. So the petitioners in WPC number 5072 of 2021 are Hindi teachers working in upper primary school, whereas the remaining petitioners are Arabic teachers, are teachers teaching or what do you call it?
In Arabic. Using
Arabic
Language, Arabic language.
language.
Are teachers teaching Arabic language in upper primary schools. They are eligible to be considered for provincialization of their services in terms of section 3 bracket 1 bracket small Roman 11 of the Assam Education open bracket provincialization of schools of teachers and reorganization of educational institutions close bracket Act, 2017. Stop leaving the pendency of these writ petitions. Court was informed that a challenge has been made to the aforesaid provision before the division bench of the school. So what is the case number? You don't have.
I cannot simulate this.
When was it disposed of? It was upheld, isn't it?
There were series of
Series of cases.
when challenge was made to different provisions of the act.
Stop. Likewise, several other provisions of the said act was also put to challenge. So ultimately, the division bench upheld the provisions of section 3 bracket 1 bracket Roman 11 of the said act, and therefore the petitioners at this stage seek for a direction for considering their case in terms of the said provision. So the learned counsel for the petitioner has produced an order dated, judgment and order dated 17/3/2025, passed by a coordinate bench of this court in WPC number 3597 of 2021, bracket Alokesh Chandra Ray and 62 others versus State of Assam and others, whereby and whereunder this court had disposed of the writ petition by directing the petitioners therein to file their individual representations before the appropriate authority within a time frame, and whereafter the authority to consider their representation by taking into account the provisions of section 3 bracket 1 or 11. 3(1) bracket Roman 11 of the Act of 2017. However, by observing that the view taken should not be construed as amendments for provincialization of the services of the petitioners therein. Stop the learned counsel for the petitioners submits that a similar direction may be passed in the instant case as well. Mr. B. Kaushik, learned SC, elementary, submits that he has no objection to such a prayer in view of the earlier order passed by this court in Alokesh Chandra Ray and 62 others. Sutra. Next para in view, Papa. The writ petition. The writ petitioners shall file their individual representations before the appropriate authority within a period of
15 days.
15 days from today. No, why do we say appropriate authority? Can we name somebody
Yes,
Director of Secondary.
director, elementary,
before the not appropriate authority, right? Director of
elementary.
Elementary Education, Government of Assam, within 15 days from today. And the said authority, upon receipt of the representations, shall consider and dispose of the same by taking into account the provisions of Section 3(1) Roman 11 of the Act of 2017. Within a period of 4 months from the date of this receipt of the representations. The writ petition stands according, all the writ petitions accordingly stands disposed of.
Obliged.
May I please allow? My lord, we have filed this amended writ petition, my lord. Of the earlier, my lord, writ petition, my lord, we have been furnished with some, my lord, RTA document, my lord. Where from it appears that the respondent number 5, my lord, she by misleading the authority, my lord, got her service provincialized, my lord. In fact, my lord, the document what my lord, she submitted before the authority, your lordship will kindly come to page 25.
When did you file the amended writ petition?
This is filed on my lord 1925, my lord.
Okay, what is the amended portion? you show
Amended
me?
portion is only my lord, two my lord, annexure, my lord. That was my lord, we have my lord,
Show me which
yes,
is the
my
one.
lord, that is at page 42 and my lord 43, my lord. 42, it shows that my lord, the respondent number 5, my lord.
No, there is no page 42 in your amended writ petition.
42, my lord.
Okay, it is there, sorry.
Yes, man.
42, 43.
42 and 43.
42 is a what? Certificate?
It's certificate, my lord, where my lord, it shows that my lord, she has passed her HSLC. This is
Who is this?
Pravesika examination, my lord.
Who is this?
My lord,
Who is this person?
that is my lord, respondent number 5, my lord.
Okay.
She has passed her my lord, HSLC, that is in 2002, my lord. In fact, my lord, and my lord, second one, my lord, Annexa 14, my lord, page 43, and her, she passed her higher secondary in 2018, my lord.
This is also respondent number 5.
Yes, my lord. In fact, she submitted before the authority, my lord, document, my lord, whereby, my lord, she wanted to, my lord, show that she was higher secondary in 2002, my lord. Your lordship will kindly come to page, my lord, 25, my lord. I have annexed that document. What she submitted before the authority, my lord, during the time of my lord provincialization of service, my lord.
Anyway, who is appearing for respondent number 5?
My lord, she's, her name appears, my lord, but she is not appearing for me.
Whose name appeared?
She is, my lord,
Z.
Z.A. my lord, Asadia. In fact, earlier also she didn't appear, my lord.
Then why did she file Wakalatnama to not appear?
She is not appearing.
Wakalatnama is filed to appear,
Yes, yes.
but sometimes it is filed not to appear. Just check whether Wakalatnama is there or not. Where is it available? Yes, madam, you want to say anything
Lordship, I have not received the amendment.
on the amended?
No, Lordship, I have not received yet.
Give her a copy.
Yes, yes, I will, my lord, understand.
The petitioner has filed an amended copy of the writ petition. Ms. S. Kaur, learned government advocate,
No, Lordship, it's any concept.
standing counsel elementary,
Lordship,
submits that she is yet to receive the recast petition. Stop petitioner to furnish her requisite copies of the recast petition within 2 days. Next para, although the name of Ms. S.Z.A. Asadia is reflected as the counsel for the respondent number 5 in the cause list, but she has not appeared. Stop on checking the records. It is seen that the said person has filed the affidavit, the said counsel has filed her wakalatnama had submitted the wakalatnama, which is dated 25/2/2022. So, however, none of the previous orders of this court reflects the appearance of the said counsel. You will take steps under the circumstance. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall take fresh steps on respondent number 5. By registered post with AD due, by enclosing the recast writ petition within 3 days. List the matter again after 3 weeks.
My lord, may fix day, my lord, because it's 22 meters, my lord. And provincialization because all documents are fake, my lord.
Anyway, registry will fix on a date to be fixed by the registry.
I will apply.
May it please the Lordship. Lordship, this matter was already heard and it was supposed to be finally disposed of. However, it was released from CAB, Lordship. This matter has to be heard again.
That was what was mentioned to the court last time. You are repeating the same thing again today.
Lordship, it may come up on
That
a-
is why it was listed today. It is listed today.
Can it come up on a hearing date?
Yes, Lordship. This matter would require a lot of time, Lordship.
What is this matter? Item 19.
Yes, Lordship.
They are not other connected matters, isn't it? This is an individual case.
Yes, Lordship.
There are some records also. What are those?
That's the petition, Lordship. It's a bulky
What
humongous
is
file,
that? What are those?
These are all petitions.
Lordship. The entire petition is in 8 volume, Lordship.
Oh, what are those volumes?
Annexures, Lordship.
Annexures,
Yes, Lordship.
not records.
No, Lordship.
So you tell me when do you want matter to be decided? When both sides,
Lordship, any hearing day? As per Lordship's convenience.
any hearing date, means it can be next year also. When do
No,
you
in
want it?
November, Lordship.
27th of October.
Huh?
27.
You're okay with the date?
Lordship.
As agreed to by the parties, please the matter for admission hearing on 27th of November 2025.
Thank you.
Much obliged.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, in this case, hearing was already concluded, and we have also submit our written submission. But
But one more hearing is required again now.
yes, lordship,
When do you want it?
on next Tuesday, lordship.
Tuesday. You are for the petitioner, isn't it?
Yes, lordship.
Who's for the respondent? Mr. Upamane, you are here in this case. 20,
Look, I am appearing for respondent number 5, Seba.
Seba. And elementary, anybody else? She says next Tuesday. You ready?
Next Tuesday or Thursday?
Elementary. Or hearing. You're agreeable? Next Tuesday? You check your diary. If you are available that day, you will list it. Don't seek adjournment later on.
Eleven.
11 November.
Very good.
13 lordship. 13 November.
30.
1.
30.
Oh.
And, yeah. As agreed to by the parties, that the matter for admission hearing on 13th of November 2025.
May it please your lordships. Lordships, in this matter, pleadings are complete. Matter may be posted for hearing.
You need some?
Pleadings are complete.
Okay, who's up for the other side?
So I am appearing for higher education department.
Okay.
It is a PM.
Okay.
It is the hearing table.
After 2 weeks. You want a date or let registry, you shall fix a date.
As per your lordship's
Uh,
convenience.
Parties are represented by the respective councils and they submit that the pleadings are complete and the matter be posted for admission hearing. In view of above,
It would be
Is-
better if a date could be fixed is regarding non-payment of salary and pensionary benefits.
20th of November.
That could be okay.
2020, in view of above, list on 20, in view of above and as agreed to by the parties, list on 2011-2025 for admission hearing.
Deeply obliged.
I require 1 week's time to pause express instructions in this matter because the selection process was of 2023. I just 1 week time to further what is the present status.
Okay. That's spread for by Mr. B.P. Bora. Learned counsel for the petitioner. Matter stands adjourned for a week to enable him obtain up-to-date instructions from this client. If Yes,
I will be on behalf of the PTC.
BTC.
Yes.
Yes, what is your submission?
Because your lordship, we have been newly engaged, your lordship, no file, nothing.
BTC is what, the respondent number?
PTC, as per number, your lordship, I think 4 to 6, your lordship.
4 to 6.
Yes, sir.
What about the others?
I am for the respondent number 1.
Are you going to file any affidavit? This is, it is BTC matter indeed, but are you going to file any affidavit?
I have checked the last photograph, your lordship, there is no court affidavit received from the BTC till date.
My lord, the BTC has filed affidavit, my lord, and we have also, my lord, filed counter. My lord, now RMSA, my lord, has not filed. For last 2 occasions, my lord. So, number, my lord.
Is there any standing counsel for RMSA?
My lord, on last 2 occasions, my lord, Mr. M. Chaudhary was there, my lord. Mr. B. Chaudhary, my lord. Last 2 occasions, my lord, Mr. B. Chaudhary was there, my lord. He took time. But till today, my lord, no evidence has come from them, my lord.
So what can do?
Let me kindly see the order dated, my lord, 4/8/25, my lord.
No, I've seen that. What is to be done? Before that also 21/5 also time was granted. Are you going to file any reply affidavit?
My lord, I have already filed.
You filed already, okay.
BTC had filed, my lord. I have.
We'll adjourn it for 2 weeks. Last chance to the BTC, I mean, to the RMSA.
Last chance we have given out.
Peruse the order dated 21/5/2025 as well as 4/8/2025. Stop the respondent numbers 2 and 3 have not filed their counter affidavit. Till date. And Mr. B. Chaudhary, who represents them, is also not present. Stop. In view of above, further 2 weeks' time is granted as a last chance to respond to numbers 2 and 3.
RMS's name has not been shown here, but.
Failing which, court may consider proceeding with the matter on the basis of the materials available on the board. List the matter again after 2 weeks, showing the name, showing SC RMSA in the cost list.
In this case, my lord, no affidavit has been filed by the respondent, my lord. Though, my lord, more than 9 occasions, they have taken time, my lord. Elementary education. my lord.
Yes, who is there? Elementary? Elementary education? What is your grievance here?
My lord, regarding non-provincialization of service, my lord. I prefer appeal before the, my lord, government, my lord. Government rejected my claim, my lord. And case 659, my lord, in order. Case 59.
Who is the authority? Was it rejected?
Then, my lord, it is the commissioner secretary, my lord.
School education.
Fully thing.
That means this is a second round.
Second round of litigation. my lord. In pursuance of the court's order, my lord, I prefer appeal, my lord. And kindly see, my lord, first order, my lord, page 49.
Please right. This is a second round litigation. Stop. Pursuant to the order passed in the first round of litigation, the impugn order dated 19/5/2023, rejecting the claim of the petitioner was passed. And the same is under challenge in this writ petition. Stop. Several opportunities have been granted to the respondents for filing their contract with you, but the same has not been filed till date. In view of above, further 3 weeks' time is granted as a last chance. Failing which, court may consider proceeding with the matter on the basis of materials available on the board.
Date may be fixed, my lord, 23 methods.
List again after 3 weeks on a date to which expire the list.
All right.
Here also, my lordship, same way I'm reading what we have put as well, for BTC.
You don't have the brief.
We have been against last week.
Uh,
So
what,
file appeal
what
for
is his name?
Your lordship.
A.K. Bhuya, isn't it?
Yes.
It is submitted as a bar that Mr. A.K. Bhuya, learned counsel, has been recently engaged as a standing counsel for the BTC. And therefore, 2 weeks' time may be granted for organizing the brief and to make submission before the court. In view of above, this is the matter after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Hello. We have filed our affidavit, madam, and the proposal has been sent to the government, madam, here.
What is sent?
In paragraph 5 in our affidavit. What thing? Everything is public one. Thank you.
Yes, so what is your submission?
So sometime may be granted so that I can get the up-to-date status from the government.
What status?
Regarding the area salary and the current salary.
What, this is a prayer for writ petition for area salary?
Your salary and pay period.
Hmm?
Yes.
It's not only that. You are asking for certain pay band.
Yes, 30, my lord. Yeah.
Submitted to the government by the office of the Director of Secondary Education, white so and so dated 25/10/2023, and then the matter is currently pending before the government. Well, 2 weeks may be granted so that I can.
From where are you reading that?
Up-to-date status.
From where are you reading that?
Page 173.
IA.
IA.
Yeah. Yeah.
It is not IA. It is affidavit in
Affidavit.
opposition filed by the respondent number 3.
Yeah, yeah. One second. please.
Mr. U. Sharma, learned counsel for the Secondary Education Department, seeks 2 weeks' time to obtain instructions.
My lord, date may repeat.
In view of the statements made in paragraph number 5, bracket page number 173 of the affidavit of opposition filed by the respondent number 3. List again after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the register.
In this case, my lord, short issue is involved in this case, my lord. Short issue is involved, my lord. What has happened, my lord? My lord, this petitioner is aggrieved by the order, my lord, which is passed by the director secondary, my lord, keeping him as an in-charge principal, my lord. So he doesn't have the eligible qualification, my lord. Because this petition, respondent number 5, my lord, who has been allowed to hold to remain as an in-charge principal, my lord. He has been transferred to the instant school, my lord, on his own request, my lord. So the rules prescribe, my lord, that he doesn't have eligible qualification of 15 years to remain as an in-charge principal, because, my lord, there was judgment of this honorable court, my lord, where it was already been hold, my lord, that even he is in charge, my lord, he has to have the eligible qualification as per the rule of 2020, my lord. So I will take your lordship, my lord, to my lord, to page 27, my lord, is an imping order, my lord.
Just a minute. Who is appearing? You are appearing. For?
For respondent number 1, 2, and 3, lordship.
And five,
I have also filed an additional affidavit, my lord, bringing on record the own request transfer order of the respondent number 5 to the school, my lord. And it is apparent, my lord, he has been transferred to the instant school only on, my lord, on 31/8/2023. And the impugning lordship will find at page 27, the order has been passed on 30 of November 2023, just within 3 months, my lord. This order has been passed to and keeping him in as an in-charge principal, my lord. Page 27, my lord. I will just give the relevant rules, my lord. to that effect.
oh, what is that? You calendar here?
My lord, page 27, my lord.
Yeah.
That is the respondent number 5, my lord. He was,
Prabhat Diori is the respondent number 5.
yes, my lord. He was allowed to hold the in-charge principal of the school, my lord, with all financial power, my lord.
What is the name of the school? Government Girls.
My lord, it is, my lord, Government Girls HS and MP School, Divigor.
HS means high school.
High school, my lord. It is so high school.
He's a subject teacher.
Yes, my lord.
In which subject?
Yes, my lord. He was additionally allowed to hold, my lord.
Subject teacher of on which subject?
He's, my lord, he's MSc, my lord. He's science subject, my lord. He's a-
So what is your ground for challenging
Yes,
this?
my ground for challenge. Now I will take your lordship to my additional affidavit, my lord, at page 37, my lord.
$37.
Yes, my lord. That is the, my lord, order by which, my lord, he was transferred to the instant respondent number 4 school, my lord, the present school, my lord.
Earlier, where was he?
Earlier, my lord, he was in Sodia Government High School, my lord,
Yes.
HS School, my lord. And thereafter, now he has been transferred to the Government Girls HS School, my lord.
This is the transfer order.
This is transfer order, my lord. Lordship will find in the top, my lord, in pursuance of the recommendation of the district level committee on transfer and posting of teachers, and as per provision of the Assam Elementary and Secondary Education Teachers Regulation of Posting and Transfer Act 2020, the following teachers under the Tinsukia are hereby transferred as per his own request, in his own grade. This is important, that is own request, my lord.
Okay, so what is wrong in that?
So now, my lord, what the law says, my lord. The Act of, my lord, the Amendment Act of 2000, my lord, Assam Elementary and Secondary Education Regulation of Posting and Transfer, Amendment Act 2023, my lord, I have given the copy of it, my lord. It says, my lord, there was an amendment of section 11. Section 11 of the main act, my lord. I have also given the copy of the main act, my lord. The provision has been included, my lord, in section 11 now.
What is that?
Provided that the transfer of a teacher made on his own or on his or her own request under this act shall entail forfeiture of seniority, my lord. So, my lord, whatever, my lord, his seniority will be counted from the day when he joined the school, my lord, because it is his own request. And, my lord, the Act of 2020 is also been given. Assam Elementary and Secondary Schools Teachers Regulation and Posting of Transfer Act 2020 is also given, my lord. This was amended and in 2023, my lord, it is on 24th of July, my lord, it has come into effect, my lord.
And this transfer had happened on,
The transfer happened, my lord, on 22nd of August, 2023, my lord,
after the amendment.
after the amendment. Now, my lord, I have given on the coordinate bench of this honorable court already decided this issue, my lord. I have given one judgment, my lord. This is my lord Vikash Upadhyay, my lord.
No, on
Worship-
what basis is the in charge principal kept?
Yes, my lord, it has been hold, my lord, even if he
There is no rules for that.
No, there is no rules, my lord, but there is a settled law, my lord, of this honorable court, my lord. I will take your lordship to para 8 of the judgment, my lord. Coordinate bench of this honorable court in the case of Jagannath Begu and state of Assam reported in so and so as well as in WPC number so and so have held that even for holding the post of principal in charge, a candidate must have to fulfill eligible criteria for a regular post and not the seniority alone. Now, my lord, it also says, my lord, I will read the next line. It's a similar situated case, my lord. I will just read, my lord. After hearing the learned, considering the provision of Rule 12, Rule 12 is the main rules, my lord, under which, my lord, it says when one can become the principal of the school, my lord. It holds that, my lord, for a postgraduate teacher, at least he should have 15 years continuous service, my lord, in that school, my lord.
In that school?
In that school, my lord.
Where is that rule?
Yes, my lord. Rule, my lord, I will just, my lord, the rule is, my lord, if lordship is, my lord, Assam Secondary Education Government Rules, my lord, Secondary Education Government School Service Rule 2020. I will give you a copy.
Where is it available? In any of this compilation?
Yes, my lord.
Which one?
Rule 12, 2020 rules. Or I will give a copy of it, my lord, my copy, my lord.
Give a copy. You don't have a copy.
My lordship may
This is your copy.
Yes, my lord, yeah. If lordship sees, my lord, 3, my lord, 12-3, at least 15 years of continuous service for a postgraduate is required, my lord.
It says in any government higher secondary school.
Yes, my lord.
It doesn't have to be the same school. You're telling that, you were saying that it should be the same school.
Yes, my lord.
Now
The
here,
school where he will be promoted, where, because earlier seniority will go, my lord. That has been held, my lord, in this, my lord, I will read this para 9 of the judgment, my lord, once. It will make it lordship more clear, my lord.
which paragraph?
This paragraph 9, my lord, of the judgment, my lord, that I have given, my lord. Para 8 and para 9, my lord. Since he has not completed 15 years of continuous service as a postgraduate teacher, this court found that the order of so-and-so he issued by a director secondary education being inconsistent with law is illegal and accordingly same is hereby set aside and quashed, my lord.
Oh, that 15 years in the same school is not there.
My lord, earlier seniority will go, my lord.
No, seniority will go is a different thing.
Yes, my lord.
But talking about the talking about 15 years in the same school is not there. It says at least 15 years of service as PG teacher in any government higher secondary school.
My lord, I will read the para 7 of that court, that my lord, that judgment, my lord. I will read para 7, my lord. Pursuant to his transfer order, the petitioner joined Behali Higher Secondary School on 14/2/2004, and since then he has been serving in the state higher secondary school for more than 19 years, having mastered in B.Ed, being eligible for appointed as a principal in a provincial higher secondary school of the state. The seniority list that was prepared by the erstwhile principal in state Behali School as on 28/1/2000 annex the petition by the petitioner reflects the petitioner is the senior most teacher in the high school, and that respondent number 4 in serial number 2 in the state seniority who joined the higher secondary school only on 7/9/2009, who is yet to complete 15 years of service as a postgraduate teacher in the provincial higher secondary school or secondary school of the state. It is clearly reflect the respondent number 4 doesn't have the requisite eligibility to be appointed as a principal of provincial higher secondary school as per the provisions of the rules of 2018. So, my lord, when, my lord, he has been transferred to this school, my lord, So my lord, on request transfer, once my lord is allowed, my lord, that his previous seniority will go.
Tell me, how is seniority, uh, counted? Is it, it's a common seniority or it's an individual school has a separate seniority list? It's a common seniority or a
Yes.
separate seniority for each school?
School will have his own seniority, my lord.
School is having its own seniority.
Yes, my lord, because once he come to that school, my lord, and thereafter the seniority on that school has to be calculated for his purpose, my lord. For the purpose of holding the post of principal, my lord. And that judgment is also in connection to on request transfer, my lord. The previous paragraph 6, my lord, it shows, my lord, it reflects, my lord, that it is on request transfer.
See, in this case, you are on seniority only or on the qualification also?
Qualification, my lord, because my lord, 15 years qualification is mandatory to become the principal of the school, my lord. And it's even if he is in charge, my lord, even though he has to hold an eligibility criteria, that is the qualification is required, my lord, even though it is in charge, my lord. So that has been held by this overall court, my lord. So now, my lord, in this case, since it is a on request transfer and he has have only 3 years, 3 months of experience in this school, my lord. So my lord, apparently, my lord, he doesn't hold the eligibility criteria, my lord, of 15 years, my lord. So he cannot hold the post of principal, my lord. That is my case, my lord.
What about you?
My lord, I am there in this school, my lord, from since, my lord, 2003, my lord. It's more than 21 years, my lord.
What about the other qualification?
So other, my lord, I have enclosed a copy of the graduation list, my lord. In this, the cadre-wise list of the graduate and postgraduate teachers, my lord.
What about the other qualification?
Other qualifications, my lord, I meet, my lord, because this.
What is your qualification?
I am, my lord, MA B.Ed, my lord.
So you, MA B.Ed, so
MA
you
B.Ed
qualify,
with 21 years of service in that school, my lord.
So
17 years is required because
you
I'm
have
I'm a
the,
graduate teacher.
you fulfilled section, what is
12,
this?
Rule
Rule of,
12, my lord.
you fulfill rule 12, sub rule 2.
Yes, my lord.
Candidate must possess MA, MSc, MCom with BT, B.Ed.
Yes, my lord.
You are MA B.Ed
Yes, I am a B.Ed, my lord.
and having about 22 years. of
21
service.
years, my lord. More than 21 years. So, my lord, even, my lord, the director can take a call in this matter, my lord, who is eligible, because in the judgment also, my lord, it has been clarified, my lord, that director may take a call and ask all the persons who is eligible for, my lord, and persons who is eligible, my director can appoint, my lord, anyone or to hold it, to remain as in charge or regular, my lord, para 10, my lord. Apparently, he cannot hold, my lord. Para 10, my lord, director was directed, my lord, to take a fresh order in the matter, my lord.
Yes, what do you say?
I need some time, Lord. I will obtain instructions
Instruction regarding?
regarding the issue regarding the seniority and the qualification.
You're for the
If
respond number 5.
However, I have not received the copy of affidavit.
I will serve a copy.
Give a copy.
Yes, ma'am, I'm giving it.
What is there in the additional copy?
My lord, there I have annexed a copy of the transfer on request transfer order, my lord, and is released from the previous school board. Otherwise, my director will take a call, my lord, looking into all the matters, my lord. Because
What do you
director can
say?
do it, my lord.
You still want to take instructions
Okay.
or we'll dispose it off?
I will obtain instructions.
Because director is the authority, man. He can take a call, my lord. Otherwise, everyone will be called, my lord, and he will decide, my lord.
Anyway, we'll come back at 2 and see.
My lord,
You just think about it,
my lord, my lord,
then we may dispose it of also.
my lord. Hello. Okay, take a liberty of mentioning item number 34. ma'am.
Why, are you going somewhere?
Yes, I think it will be quite.
Where are you going?
Can I go?
What do you want, 34?
34, my lord, doctor will give us 1 week time to get the updated. So he's for the petition.
We are not objection. As paid for by the Mr. P. Kartik, learned counsel for the learned standing council, secondary education. A week's time is granted to obtain up-to-date instructions in the matter. Just again after 1 week.
Wonderful.
Gentlemen,
Hello.